This is SheFools. We're going to turn boss into boss with dollar signs. We're doing a little text manipulation to turn your Google Sheets into absolute chaos or do some really cool stuff. We're going to go to extensions, app script. We've done flip header. We've done an onOpen. Now we're going to do function onEdit with an E that has all kinds of information inside of our edits. And editing is going to be whenever we enter text into a cell. We're going to actually create another function here called turn boss into boss. And we're going to have an E at that as well. And we're going to put this inside of our onEdit, turn boss into boss, E, but our function is going to be written here. We need variable range equals E.range, variable value, whatever the actual value in the cell is, range.getValue. If value dot to lowercase includes boss, we're going to do something here. So basically, if we're writing anything and that word or text or any cell includes the word boss, we're going to do something. We're going to have a new value, value dot replace boss, and we're going to replace it with boss. And we need to escape these, range dot set value, new value. There we go. That's all we need to turn boss into boss with dollar signs. So anytime we're on a new sheet and we say, hey, boss, automatically we turn those S's into dollar signs. Going on boss, what's new? Even inside the cell or inside the sentence, we get those dollar signs anytime we edit. So this could really wreak havoc on someone's perception of what they're doing if all of their text is being changed in a little subtle, fun way. If you're looking for all these automations, go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools. You can download for free all of the automations and all of these videos that we're putting out today on April Fool's Day. All of them are here for you. Enjoy.